Have big ideas or even bigger dreams? Ever look at an empty piece of land and thought, what could this be?
Welcome to Ngee Polytechnic's real estate business, the place that equips you with a strong foundation and broad skill set essential for success in real estate. You'll learn about all things real estate, including property valuation, investment, and management. From marketing million-dollar assets to managing operation, you'll master the business side of real estate. And you won't stop at business. You'll explore urban planning and sustainability and how vibrant communities are brought to life. To stay ahead, you'll get hands-on experience with smart building technologies and green innovations, preparing for a future shaped by sustainability and digital transformation.
Perfect! But what about building a portfolio? We got you.
Get out there with real-world experiences, site visits, industry talks, consultancy workshops, and even overseas trips. Enter the industry with confidence, backed by industry-recognized certifications. Let NP's Diploma in Real Estate Business give you a strong foundation in business and real estate to unleash your potential. Visit np.edu.sg for more information.